Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here again guys with another amazing recipe for you guys. Guys, today is my healthy choice day guys. I always tell myself I'm gonna give you guys a healthy choice recipe every week. So this week, today is a healthy choice day. Alright? So guys, I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm working with today. Alright? Let's get started guys. So yes guys, this is my ground chicken. I'm gonna go do some ground chicken panko today. Gonna make these up right now. That's quite a cup of parsley that I throw right inside the ground chicken right there. It's grounded. That's about 900 grams of chicken grounded right here guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys the spices that I'm working with right here. I got a tablespoon of garlic powder right here guys, and a tablespoon of chicken spice guys. We're just gonna throw that right on. Right, and I got half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Pour that in there. And I got half a teaspoon of ginger grounded, and mustard powder. I got 1 teaspoon. Alright. And guys, right here, this is the breadcrumb. I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup of breadcrumb inside here. And then I got 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And right here, I got 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. And I got half an onion right here. I just caramelized, not really caramelized, I just kind of cook them off a bit guys, so get some flavor out of the onions. I dice it up and just cook them, saute them in the pan right there. Just brown it off a little bit, you get some flavor from the onions, right? And right here I got 1 egg here guys. You know what I'm saying, eggs. So just gonna mix this right in, and then we're gonna pour the egg in and mix it as well. Okay, we're just gonna pour this right in there guys. We'll try to bind it together. I just put this recipe together last night guys. Beautiful. So guys, I'm just gonna roll these, and then we're gonna get them inside of the panko breadcrumb. I'll just show you guys that. All right, as we go, we're gonna get our healthy choice bowl going today. And for the healthy choice bowl guys, this is just my protein right here. I'm doing pearl couscous. All right, I'll show you guys the pearl couscous that I'm working with. Here guys, I got the pearl couscous here. I'm using the really good one. This one has turmeric inside here guys. Take a look at it. You know, turmeric is good for you, so I'm doing that one. And I also have some bulgur wheat right here. I'm gonna do some bulgur wheat as well. So let's get cooking guys. So guys, they're done right now. We're just gonna get them inside some panko right now. Cute little buttons right there. That's why I roll them into a ball guys, and then I flatten them. All right, pretty simple and easy. So I'm gonna drop them inside of the panko right now, like that. Get some panko on them. All right. All right. So guys, right here I got 2 eggs and 3 tablespoons of cream I put inside here. we're just gonna dip them inside, and then we're gonna put them in the flour first. First thing in the flour, then egg wash, and then in here. All right. So the flour helps to hold the egg wash in here, then the egg wash helps to hold the panko. All right. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll just show you guys the first one. And there, like that, like that. All right. And then in here. All right. So that's what they're gonna be looking like. All right. So guys, this is what they look like after they get the panko on them. So they're fully breaded right now. I got some more sitting right here. I'm just gonna move on to something else. I got some carrots and some sweet potato here. I'm gonna julienne these, and we're gonna get some flour on them, guys, and we're gonna start cooking. Guys, I just wanna show you where I cut the potatoes. They're pretty thin here. I'm just gonna julienne these. And I'll just show you guys how to do the potatoes. So you just want to cut a nice flat side on it, guys, where the potato sits. Don't move. All right, you don't want to get cut. So as long as one side is flat, then you can start cut thinly. Or you can use a mandolin if you guys like. This is how I do it to get these nice sliver shapes from it. And then I just julienne these. All right, that's how it works. Okay, guys? So you guys can try it at home. Be safe. All right. So guys, this is the julienne carrot and sweet potato right here. I just pour some boiling water on it. I'm gonna let them sit in the boiling water for about 6 minutes, and then I'll drain them. All right, this is what I did, guys. I just put some plastic over it, guys. And we're just gonna let it sit for about 6 minutes. We'll get back and cover it. We're gonna put some flour on it. So guys, this is what they look like. I just drained the water from them, guys. You can see the steam coming from that, still nice and hot. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna get it right inside the flour there. But before, it's gonna drizzle a little bit of cream over this, guys. All right, just like about 3 tablespoons of cream. You just mix it right in like that. So that's the carrot and sweet potatoes, the julienne. I'll show you guys. I'm going to put them right inside the flour right now. I did this before in a previous video, guys. Don't know if you guys remember. Not too long ago. Guys, this is what you want to do. Just mix them right inside the flour nicely. The flour is seasoned, guys. So guys, I got 2 cups of flour inside this bowl here, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Got a half a teaspoon of salt, and I got 1 teaspoon of paprika in there, guys, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. That's what I use to season the 2 cups of flour. All right. And this is 5 cups of carrot and potatoes mixed together, guys. So we're just gonna excess flour off, or we're gonna get them right inside that oil right now. All right. So guys, the pearl couscous, it's done. Guys, So this is 1 cup of pearl couscous to 2 cups of water. Pretty simple, guys. Just throw it in there, let it boil. And I add some spinach to this, guys. When it gets close to the end, you see that? Looks beautiful. And you season it with whatever you like. I season this one with a teaspoon of garlic powder, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. You're good to go. So guys, we're gonna get these down right now. Just shake them off. Just drop in a bunch of them. Spread them all over your pot. Alright, I'm just gonna let that go for a while. So guys, this is what it comes out looking like. So crispy and nice, guys. They're beautiful. You guys take a look at that. Lovely. Last time I did these, guys, it was just carrot. These ones I mix sweet potatoes and the carrot together, guys. They are amazing, nice and crispy to go on top of your salad, guys. A little bit of crunch. All right. So guys, we're just gonna drop these cute little buttons right inside the oil here, just for a few minutes. You know the panko takes less time to get cooked, guys. They brown up pretty fast, so take them out. We're gonna put them in the oven. Get some nice color in them. So guys, this is what they came out looking like. They're beautiful, eh? So that's our protein to go in the bowl tonight. So guys, start plating these beautiful bowl right here. Show you guys, this is the pearl couscous I'm putting on. Came out so nicely. With spinach inside. It's really tasty, guys, and looking really good. Alright, so guys, let's turn up the flavor right here. Alright, so just gonna put a little bit of salad mix I have right here on the plate. Need some green, guys. Alright. So guys, this is how you make it. Looks beautiful. It already tastes good. So you want to make it pretty now. Alright. Presentation is really good, guys. I have some cucumber right here. I'm gonna put to the side there. With the cucumber. Alright. I also have some tomatoes. Pile some tomatoes right on it. And these are the grape tomatoes, guys, I'm using. Alright. What's next, guys? Some mango. Nice fresh mangoes. Alright, this is how you turn up the flavor right here. Slap some mangoes right on it there. Next, guys, we're gonna get our protein right now. Protein going right on there, guys. No more than 2. Should be good enough. You guys see it's ground chicken I used to make this. Looking beautiful, guys. But can't leave these out. To top it off with this, guys, you just throw these all over your salad right here. Nice and crispy sweet potatoes and carrots. Guys, how better can you get it? Beautiful. All right, guys, that's what they're looking like right here. Magnificent. Guys, I'm gonna dig in right now. What I have some pineapple sweet chili here, guys. I'm gonna put it over my salad. Just gonna drizzle it right over everything, guys. Looking good. Put it on your mango. Guys, this is looking lovely. All right, beautiful. So guys, take a look. I just want to show you guys what's going on in these bowls right here. They're beautiful, looking good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go dig in right now. All right. Oh, guys, I gotta try this out. Wow. Really good. The pearl couscous, guys, it's up. Really nice. These baby right here, guys, these are the best. You guys want to try these out, trust me. Nice crunch to the carrot, the sweet potato. Magnificent, guys. It's really up. Flavor up again. As always, guys, can't explain it. It's too good. Too good, guys. You guys take a good look inside. Looking good, eh? Really nice. All right, guys, what I'm gonna say, thanks for watching again, guys. Like, share, guys. Subscribe to this channel, guys. Keep on sharing the videos. Keep the love coming, guys. And guys, please watch the commercials. All right, they're coming. Don't skip. All right, guys, thanks again. Keep sharing, and I'll see you in the next one.